Alhamdulillah, we continue from Musa we stop. This we close this one now. Let me see. Let we get self start and we come to Visual Studio, open up for the first time. Assuming you want for can create a project, come to create new project. So remember say we already don't get the name of the project in our student management information system. Good, a better way still Naya. But when it can, I'd advise say low game space, the space at all. Wait for them. Log get the project for the first time first. Good. The first thing you need for do now, come first and select the project type we want. Is it desktop, web, or what? Say now web want. Okay, if now web, which platform left label there for all platform. Yes. So we say the language, we say C#. See the language M. C++, C#, Java, F#, JavaScript, Python, all other language. But for we, now .NET, now C# we deal with. And C#, Java very, very similar. So good. The next thing we do now, you get for type DevExpress template gallery. Yes. You get for as you say DevExpress, it is here. Look at the template gallery DevExpress. You see DevExpress here. This is a Blazor. This is a solution wizard. Now this we deal with. They say next. Now make if we don't get the DevExpress already. Now here we give the name of the project. We say student with the Camel Kisan. Student management system. Then don't forget for check the framework, take the least version for let we get problem for compatibility issue. This one, there is a create. After it then can select the blog, this blog web. If you want for basically all in there, how I be explain them, watch me videos them. As I say, I'm not going to come again and explain which then things they are, each one of them. What they mean. No. Just select the blog web application. We can go to wait for them for a bit. You can configure now. Look the suits, what you want for C. In with dashboard. The HTML rich text spreadsheet one time. A report, we need a dashboard, we need a spelling check. No. The charts then maybe we'll go for need them later. But anyway, if we need them right there, we will get them back all. So don't worry for them. We will get them. Basically for now, we don't get the right there. I think the necessary we left them. There are nothing there for do. You don't get nothing for do now. You don't get nothing for do now. The language by default, they left as English. So you say create project. When you create a project, the first thing they do before you can start for add you create your model, add all the database into your model. You first need for launch the application for able debug and sync all in functions and sync together. Now the first advice and for do. Not just come just after don't create the framework. You go now, hey, last start down for the model, no. The advice is the miss out. First stage, create your project. Second is see, I know camel casing. I'm sorry, I know space. Rather, I do camel casing. Good. Now we don't get this frame. Now the first thing you need to do, launch and first. You are able to set your browser, select the browser type you want. If you want for do that, look the browser they already there. Now me select this man. So select this man. Then we'll wait for them for like configure. After I don't configure, just after this end, we stop a video, and the next video they can explain now the model. But they make the videos short so that we not go, be too much boring. This now the first stage, this creating a project. Second stage, working on a model. Third stage, working on the controller and the viewers simultaneously. Fortunate that for now not consume too much time, I already don't do all the work without frame. We'll just go inherit the code cell and explain them bit by bit. We understand them better. Then we'll get to frame, then the same applies to the remaining. Good. What we don't do now so far, we don't need none of them right there. We'll go for pull all, we'll go for delete everything, all this interface. We'll get that interface set. Good. But we just don't again make sure that the projects don't set and get itself ready. If we come to model, nothing much except the wide and the way we see Obincam. Then we come to view, nothing much, you see. So I think keep yourself relaxed and love it for the next video.